Hey guys, I really recommend everyone watching this video to get one of these little tiny life-saving window breakers. It has two functions. One, it can break the window in seconds if your door won't open. Two, it can cut the seat belt if you're trapped. It doesn't matter you own a car or not, or whether you're driving a gas one or electric one. You should have one. There are two reasons. First, if you ever get trapped in a car, whether your doors won't open or your seatbelt gets jammed, this tiny little guy could save your life. Second, it's not just for you. You can use this tiny little guy to save someone else in an emergency. I've already given some of these to my friends as gifts, and I'll keep sending out the rest. If you're one of my friends and haven't got one yet, hit me up early, please, because I only got like 10 left. By the way, there is no sponsors in this video. I bought all these window breakers by myself. If any brands want to sponsor me or my channel, you can reach me out with this email. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the by, would you keep one of these in your car? Leave the comments, let me know, guys. Ooh. This is my keychain. I always keep this in my pocket because maybe I can save someone's life with this little guy. If there's anything you can give to your best friend, think about this window breaker. Maybe you can save, maybe I just think too much. I hope you will never ever use this one.